In this video, I'll be showing you some tips for ordering photo prints through Printique.com. We'll cover standard size prints, as well as poster and wallet sizes. There's a variety of high-quality paper types to choose from. All of the options from luster to deep matte are silver halide photographic prints, and the fine art papers are a giclée process. From here, we either upload a new set of images or choose from one of our galleries. If we have a large number of images, the site suggests using Express mode. This is a great time saver if you want to get all of your prints in the same size and finish. We have the option to select size, mounting option, and paper type. We can always easily switch back and forth between the detailed mode and the Express mode if we'd like to customize the order in further detail. There's also the option within this mode to apply the same setting to each print. Once you're in this part of the prints wizard, all of the sizes and options are available, and you don't need to go back to the home page to add a poster, a wallet, or a fine art print. The next screen will allow you to preview and customize the crop before adding into your cart. Simply click and drag to adjust. If we want to add additional orders, we can. I'll now make a poster size print, which is the same paper and process, just in larger sizes, ranging from 10 by 20 all the way up to 40 by 60. Note that any print above a 24 by 36 is fine art giclée process only. Finally, we'll add in some wallet size prints. You can choose between mini wallets, die cut wallets, and standard wallet size photos. The preview allows you to see how these would appear in each size. And just like that, we've made 3 print orders in just a few minutes. We combine multiple print orders into one package to lessen environmental impact and to pass shipping savings onto our customers. If individual packaging is required, you can still do this by checking the prompt. Visit Printique.com to get started today.